Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll let you guys know why currently Huawei is the leader of the 5G arena, so keep watching. Now 2020 is the year of 5G in Malaysia, where the government has also announced that Malaysia will roll out the 5G networks in 2020 and all major telecommunications operators, and also preparing to launch 5G commercially for Malaysians as well. Now, other than just having fast internet speeds, whether or not you're from the medical, education, smart city or any field that you guys are in, it will surely unlock many potentials within your industry. So with this, let's look at why 5G is the future and why the brand new Huawei device like the Huawei Mate30 Pro 5G is the best choice for your 5G needs. Now first is the fact that the Mate30 Pro 5G is the key to unlock a real 5G experience. Now with the Huawei Mate30 Pro 5G, you will be able to enjoy 5G network technology in over 47 countries around the world, where, just in case you guys do not know, the majority of the country's 5G network is also supplied by Huawei, and that is why this is the key to unlock the 5G all around the globe. So yes, speaking of the 5G experience, naturally, with the Huawei network and the Huawei Mate30 Pro 5G, you will get a stable connection as it is the most compatible as well. Now the next reason is the experience of a true 5G chipset. Now another interesting fact is that the Mate30 Pro 5G is using the Kirin 990 5G SoC chipset, which is the first in the world to integrate a 5G baseband on the SoC. And on top of that, whether or not Malaysia acquires the NSA or SA, which is non-standalone or even the standalone architecture support, the chipset supports both, so you are guaranteed to get a 5G connectivity no matter what or wherever that you are in, even in other countries as well. So yes, this gives you an amazing polishing of 7nm plus EUF technology compared to other 5G smartphones out right now. So in simple terms, this means that this single chipset allows users to connect with 5G, 4G, 3G and also a 2G network, which also gives you a proper optimization of power consumption as well, anywhere and anytime. Now again, just so you guys know that most 5G phones out right now comes with either 6 or 7 antennas for 5G connectivity, but again, the Huawei Mate30 Pro 5G with its Kirin 990 5G SoC, it houses 21 antennas and 14 out of that 21 antennas supports 5G network. Cool, huh? So yes, this allows the device to have an improved 5G network connection capability and also means that you don't have to hold your phone like Mufasa from Lion King to improve the connection, as there won't be any connection dead spot, and eventually improve the internet speed and stability as well. Now currently the Huawei Mate30 Pro 5G is the first SIRIM certified smartphone, and this obviously means that you will surely experience a true 5G experience when you own the phone. And last but certainly not least is the high download speed for the 5G network. Now based on my test when I was in Langkawi during my 5G testing, I've managed to get a download speed from 1600 to 1800 Mbps and even sometimes 1900 Mbps total beast mode, which was huge compared to the 118 megabytes per second which I got from a typical 4G connection. Now I even tested and downloaded a bunch of apps using the 5G data, which took me less than 10 seconds, where even with the head start given on the 4G variant, I still could not manage to download a single app within that given time frame. And another thing that I've done and tested was the buffering speed when watching videos online. And as you guys can see, when forwarding the video when it was running, the video resumed playback instantly without any buffering at all. And if you love to game on the go, well, I've tested the Marvel Super War and the latency was a mere 11 to 20 milliseconds most of the time, even lesser as opposed to the average 40 to 60 millisecond on the 4G speeds. And finally, video calling on the 5G speed is hands down clearer than any video call they have seen, as the response time was immediate, where we tested out conversations by asking mathematical questions and the other person replied immediately as though it was a regular phone call. So there you have it. This will be all the reasons why the Huawei Mate30 Pro 5G is indeed the future of 5G smartphones and is looking to be my device of choice, especially when I use the phone as my daily driver smartphone for almost a week. And yes, stay tuned for my full video review of the phone, as all the on-ground footage that you saw was taken using this phone instead of typically taking my Blackmagic camera, where I will highlight all the other great features of the phone like its highest DxO Mark rating camera, an amazing battery life, and also the brand new cool leather orange finish at the back. So guys, with this, do let me know if you guys have any questions to ask on this particular video topic at the comment section below, or any other questions about the brand new Huawei Mate30 Pro 5G. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon 5 just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.